So what image is this? Because it's right mirrored with clear object. When are left and right? Because the letters is left. Because this is left, this is mirror backwards, or this is so very double. Next image. Seriously, what are you changing effects with left mirrored? Has with like this instead of the mirror. That's reverse double. Next image. You're very seriously? What are you using left mirrored with mirror vertical? Okay, next image. Are you really seriously? What are you using of left mirrored? Because like this effect with like left right with vertical mirrored, because resonance see resonance of the right mirrored. What are the so very bite or so many interesting with this image? Next image. Finally, I can rest. Wait, what the image is kaleidoscope. When you change of left mirrored, you can do it, huh? So ultra rest serious. But next image, I don't care and I don't know what, because of expression and reality. Next image. Wait, I can someone. What are you super serious? So what are you using of light mirror with kaleidoscope? The kaleidoscope. When you this low battery, it's in low pitch with an Arne strike with Philippines. Okay, so next time. Next image. This is not classroom. This is mirror. What are you serious? What are you serious? So many interesting. So what are you very serious? I can stop it. Please stop. This is not classroom. This is mirrored. Please help me. There are so many image. Subscribe.